So in this video, we're going to get rid of these pesky through-hull fittings which are getting in the way of us doing a proper sanding job. So we gotta figure out how to take this off. I really don't remember how we put it on. This cannot turn this way, it'll hit this. This cannot turn this way, it'll hit this. Same thing with this. So the only logical thing I could see is to remove the valve. Then it should be able to rotate without hitting anything. Unscrew this way, and then we can take the elbow off and then remove the through hull fitting. He's gotta go. He's getting in the way right now. And then you can see it's all loose. Both of them definitely not watertight. It's preventing us from sanding this and getting this prepped to repair the stringer. I don't know, you want to start with the small one or the big one?
I say let's start with the small one.
Small one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. That was pretty easy. I don't know what that means. Do we need a hammer? Shock it a little bit. That's too light. I don't know, man.
That ain't even budging.
I don't know what this does. Maybe it's just a seal, like up here and here. To seal this valve. Why do you think that does anything? I don't know if these valves could be any more good. Maybe they just have to cut this off. You can save the through hulls and just buy new valves. Because these valves probably are seized up anyway. Thoughts? No thoughts?
So if we just, to keep the through hull, all we gotta do is unscrew them from outside in.
That's pretty painless.
Try that on with the other one.
What, the big one?
Yeah.
What's that? It's a plastic bottle, look like.
Well, if that came off that easily, then them valves should be able to come off just as easily.
Well, another option was if someone goes underneath and holds the through hull from the outside, and then we could like rotate it 180 and then bring it back, and rotate it 180 and bring it back, and rotate it and get it off that way, and then maybe we could sew these down. Then we could work on this outer boat, and maybe on the vise, and see if we can get these apart if they ain't good. Because we're not going to be able to put it back in that way. Just want you to bed that with sealing and put it back in. You can't be rotating it, right? You gotta seal it and it gotta stay firm, right? Otherwise the sealing is gonna not seal properly. For lack of better words. So who's gonna go underneath?
I could go, it don't matter to me.
Alright, well, let's do that. That's plan B. That's plan A. So what Nathaniel's doing is, he's under the hull. He's gonna hold the through hull fitting firm, and then we're gonna spin this and try unscrew it from this point. Alright, Tani. I gotta rotate this 180 down, so don't hold it. Okay? Alright, now let's be ready to start unscrewing. Nicholas, you grab it and pull it this way.
Go! Hold on.
Hold it down and not.
Yeah, go! Y'all turning?
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ah! Hold on. Turn it back. It in place?
Yeah. Ready?
Alright, I think I got it this time. Oh yeah, she loose.
Nice.
I can turn it out here.
Okay.
You coming?
Yeah, keep going. I'll let you know when it's off. Alright,
It off?
it's off. What you want to try this? You want to take this through all off the wall? Huh? You want to try
Yeah, let's take
take the fitting out now?
Yeah.
Because the threads are pretty, they're full of stuff.
You can try it.
I don't know if this crescent ain't big enough.
Yeah. I can use that.
So what happened? You was losing your balance or something?
No, I just had it. I had the candle away from me, so I had to.
You couldn't put your weight here.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's try the same thing here. I don't know. I'm not too hopeful for this. I gotta clean these threads off first. Ready? You gonna go or you want me go? Go. Yeah. Some assistance.
Nice.
That's interesting, huh? This is the backing washer from the through hull fitting. Look at that. I don't know if you could see it. That's silicone. There's holes in here. For what? I don't know. Come on, man. Stop moving it. Ready? Alright, go. You want a bigger wrench? Yeah? Nicholas, go help him. Help Tony. Put more weight down there. Alright. So, you need to resort to some brute force to try to loosen up these threads. It's on pretty tight. Beat it a little bit with a hammer, and if that don't work, then maybe we'll try to put some heat on it. Heat, last resort. Let's try this one again. Alright, let's go. Alright. Need to kick up the firepower. It's off.
Get off. Get off.
It's off, baby. Blows don't wake. Fire will. All right, y'all ready? Oh, it fit. Good. I was worried. All right. Go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no effort. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Making it happen. Yeah, thick, eh? Yeah. All right. Now you and Nicholas can have fun in the back.
Alright, we also got the drain plug out.
So that's great progress.